Welcome to Magic of Life. We have end of the year and new year is just in the corner. So today I want to share with you something very special, something very personal, because I have been feeling to really open up more and more to you, to share my authentic truth. And some of you know that I did 5 days solitude during the Christmas time. And there was a reason for that. The reason was that I think the last 3 months or something about that have been really challenging for me. And many areas of my life, and I felt a strong calling to really go inwards and understand, take the responsibility of my reality and understand how I created that. And it has been very enlightening time for me because I have received lots of clarity and lots of answers. And before I get to that, I actually want to recommend you guys. This is, I think, first time I did where I was mainly offline and really with myself, doing lots of meditation. It's really transforming, and it really gives you so many answers if you're just willing to connect with your soul, with your spirit, with the God that lives within you. All the help it's provided if you just ask for it. And coming back to the retreat I did, I realized one thing, and the main lesson from 2018 for me was really to let go everything that doesn't serve me. Really let go. And the other thing I understood is that still I found some beliefs within me which really believe that I have to work hard and in a way even have a hard life to receive. And because of that belief, actually I was going and taking steps which were hard, which felt like walking up the mountain, but because I had this belief that you don't get things easily, you're not able to achieve and create success easily. All that made me believe that the steps are necessary, that I have to climb the mountain to reach my goals or to create a joyful life. And that realization was huge. That realization was so huge that I decided to let go and richly recreate my life one more time. The thing that I inspire most to share with you is that you're really not alone. And that is this, I talk about that often, but this is so true. There is so much wisdom and so much blessings in the divine design that even if we feel sometimes like a failure, if we feel sometimes like things just can't get better, trust me, they can. Because there are not mistakes in the divine design. And the purpose of our lives is to shine and to have joy. To have the excitement of waking up every day. And if you have not been feeling that, that means you're choosing less than joy. And that was my biggest realization during my solitude retreat, was that I was choosing less than joy, because I believed that I have to work hard, that happiness and joy and success doesn't come easily. I think this is the programming that many people have on this planet, that we feel to deserve to achieve something, to receive something, we have to work fucking hard. We have to, excuse my language, but it's so true. We have to, like, I don't know, this hardship that we have to go through before we allow ourselves to open to receive. And this is so fake. This is so not true. This is such a illusion of the mind and humanity. The source that lives within our hearts, the source desire, the main desire, and the only truth for the source is to receive joy through us, to receive love through us, to feel what it means when we laugh, what it means to experience love through this body, through joy in this body. That's what God, Source, Universe really truly desire to experience through us. And I don't know about you, but I'm really, in the new year coming, 2019, I'm really choosing joy. I'm choosing laughter. I'm choosing abundance. Because that's really what God, the universe, the source desire for me. Nothing less than that. Everything less that we believe we deserve, it doesn't come from God, it doesn't come from source, whichever way you want to call the life force energy that lives within you. It comes from the mind, it comes from the old programming that we have tapped into it from generations. But we have always choice. And the divine design is so perfect that we can shift our reality in every moment in our lives. There is never too late, never too late. And there is never that you have to wait to change something in your reality, or that it's not good time. The good time and the time is only now, never tomorrow. It's only now, the real time. And this time on the planet, in this moment, you can make the choice to follow only joy in your life and to take action steps only when you feel you will receive joy through them. Because the more we open to joy, the more we open to laughter, to happiness, to the love, the more we align with our true purpose, the more we will fulfill our heart desires. So I've come here today to share that wisdom with you, and I hope it will serve you well. It definitely served me amazing realization, and that's my intention for the new year. It's to really choose joy. And to do that, I really had to look at my life this year, what happened, what I received in this year, and I would call it, I have to look at my ugly truth, because it wasn't nice to face that. It wasn't nice to admit to myself that in some ways I was choosing much, much less. But I had to do it if I want to change something and create the new year a happy and joyful life, and receive what I really desire deep within me to receive. So I want to invite you to do the same. There's still a few days left before the new year comes. Do a big inventory of your year 2018 and ask yourself which areas of your life do not work, in which areas of your life you do not receive happiness and joy. And accept the ugly truth. Take 50% of your responsibility. Accept the ugly truth and just make different choices. Sometimes means you have to let go. Sometimes means you have to take more responsibility in your life. whatever the choices are, you've got to take them to allow to receive the joy in your life. So that's my message for you. Thank you very, very much. I enjoy sharing my truth with you, and I'm sure there will be more and more opportunities to do that. Love you very much, and have a beautiful, beautiful end of 2018, and amazing, magical, and very, very joyful 2018. Thank you.